Welcome children, this is a case-based question which is taken from the application of trigonometry. Let's get started. Here we have to find out the width of the lake. Let's read the question. The angle of depression to one side of a lake measured from a balloon 300 meters above the lake. 300 meters above the lake as shown in the figure, right? The angle of depression to one side of a lake, that is here. This is the lake. We are given a lake here. Okay, you can see the lake here, and the angle of depression from the balloon to this lake. Angle of depression given, right? So this angle we are given as 45 degree. Then what else we are given? The angle of depression to one side of a lake measured from balloon 300 meters. The angle of depression to one side of a lake measured from balloon 300 meters above the lake. 300 meters above the lake. Now we are given a lake. This is the lake. That is, this is the width of the lake. Okay, from here to here, width of the lake. You can see a lake here. And what is given here? 300 meter. A balloon is located here, right? Can you see the balloon here? Here, this is a balloon, right? From this balloon to the lake, what is the distance given? The distance is 300 meters. Distance is 300 meters. Okay. The angle of depression to one side of a lake measured from a balloon 300 meters above the lake as shown in the figure. That is, we are given a depression from this balloon to one side of this lake. One side of this lake. That is, we are given as 45 degree, right? 45 degree. This is a depression given. So we will get an elevation here, 45 degree. So do one thing. You can draw one more diagram like this. Suppose BD is the lake. So width of the lake will be BD, right? So this is the balloon A. Suppose A is the balloon, right? A is located here. This balloon is located here, right? So from this balloon to one side of the lake, the angle of depression given as how much degree? 45 degree we are given, right? This is 45 degree. Now, what is the distance between A and C? It is 300 meters. That is a balloon, distance between balloon and the lake. That is 300 meters we are given, right? Now one more angle of depression we are given, that is this point, the balloon located at A, right? A. From this point A to another side of the lake, that is A to D, one more depression we are given, angle of depression, that is 30 degree. So two angles are there. One angle is one angle, that is another one depression, that is angle of depression is 45 degree, another angle of depression is 30 degree. This A, that is angle of 45 degrees given from A to B, depression, angle of depression from A to B, and 30 degrees given from A to D, right? A to D. Now if this is 45 degree, you can imagine this one, what will be this one? Angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation. Okay, parallel lines property. Two lines are parallel and AB is transversal. So angle EAB is equal to angle ABC, right? So if this is 30 degree, we can name this is also 30 degree, right? Because angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation. Now the first question is we have to find out the width of the lake. What is the width here? BD is the width. So first we have to find out width of the lake. First one is width. We have to find out the width. That is, we have to find out BD. What is the distance between B and D, right? BD, first one is we have to find out BD. Then second one, what is the second question? Find the ground distance of the balloon from side of lake. That means ground distance of balloon. Balloon is here. Balloon is located at A, right? This is the balloon A. A to B, one side of the lake is B. So what is AB? We have to find out AB and AD, that is another side we can take as D. So what is AB and AD? AB and AD also we have to find out, right? So first we'll find out BD. First we'll find out BD. One is that is solution for the first one. right? First one. That is in triangle. Which triangle we can take? In triangle ACB, right? Or ABC. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, we can take, because we have to find out the width of this lake, and this AC is also given, that is 300 meter A to C. The length of the balloon from the lake, that is 300 meters we are given. AC is equal to 300 meter. So in triangle ABC, tan 45 is equal to opposite. What is the opposite side? AC. Opposite side divided by BC, right? Opposite by adjacent. So what is tan 45? 1. 1 is equal to AC. What is AC? AC is equal to 300. 300 upon BC, right? Now cross multiplication, we will get BC into 1 is BC. BC is equal to 300 meters. 300 meters. BC, length of BC is 300 meters. Now we will take another triangle, that is in triangle, another opposite triangle, that we can take as ADC. In triangle ADC, ADC, opposite triangle, right? First we have taken triangle ABC, next we have to take triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, you just take the angle. What is that angle? Tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to opposite. Why we are taking tan? Because we have to find out the opposite and the adjacent alone, right? We don't want to find out the hypotenuse. So opposite divided by adjacent is tan, right? Tan theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. So tan 30 is equal to, opposite is AC. AC divided by CD. AC divided by CD, right? AC divided by CD. Now what is tan 30? Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to AC. AC is equal to 300 upon CD. CD we have to find out, right? We need to find CD. Now cross multiplication. Now just cross multiply. We will get 1 into CD is CD. CD is equal to 300 root 3 meters. So length of CD is equal to 300 root 3 meters. Now what is the first question? Find the width of the lake. Width of the lake is BD. Width of the lake is BD. B to D. This is the lake. So BD is equal to BC plus CD. BC plus CD. What is BC? BC we found it already, that is 300 meters. 300 plus CD. CD is equal to 300 root 3. So you can take 300 common factor outside. Inside the bracket 1 plus root 3 meters. So BD is equal to 300 into 1 plus root 3, or we can write 300 into root 3 plus 1 meters. This is meters. Okay. Now the next question is, find the ground distance of balloon from the side of sides of lake. That is, we have to find out AB and AD, right? AB and AD. We need to find AB and next one is AD. That is distance from A to B and distance from A to D, right? How to find out the distance AB? That is in triangle, same triangle we'll consider. In triangle ABC, okay? Same triangle, in triangle ABC. We need to take sine 45 because AB is the hypotenuse, right? AB is the hypotenuse. So we have to take sine. Hypotenuse, actually hypotenuse, where we are representing hypotenuse in sine theta or cos theta, right? So either you want to take sine theta or cos theta. Now you see that opposite side we are given. What is the opposite side at 45? What is the opposite side of this angle B? That is equal to 300 meters. This distance we are given as 300 meters. So that is given, opposite is given. So you can take sine 45, right? Not cos 45, because it is given in the question AC. Opposite side we are given in the question AC. So we will take sine. Sine 45 is equal to, sine 45 is opposite, that is AC upon AB. AC upon AB. What is sine 45? That is 1 by root 2 is equal to AC. AC, we know the value of AC, that is 300. 300 divided by AB. AB, we need to find AB, right? So AB write as it is. Now cross multiplication, 1 by root 2 is equal to 300 AB. So AB is equal to 300 root 2, right? 300 root 2. So AB is equal to 300 root 2. That is the distance from A to the side B. Okay, A to the side B. That is 300 root 2 meters. So first one